Okay, so now let us discuss the number of turning points of the graph of polynomial functions. So pag sinabi po nating turning points, ito po yung pagliko ng graph. Okay po? And then ang formula for the turning points of the graph of the polynomial function is just turning point t is equals to n minus 1. Where n here n is the degree of the polynomial and t is the turning point. Okay po. So, ayun po yung formula. Napakadali, di ba? Titingnan nyo lang yung degree ng isang polynomial functions. And then, you're just going to subtract 1. And then, ayun na po yung turning point ng polynomial function. Let us have an example. First example, we have identified the turning points of the graph y is equals to x raised to 5 plus 8x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed plus 11x squared plus 6. So, you're just going to get the degree. So, our formula is t is equals to n minus 1. Okay po, yung n natin is the degree of the polynomial. So, ang ating degree dito is yung pinakamataas or the highest exponent, which is 5. So, ang ating n dito is 5. So, we have t is equals to n natin is 5 minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So, meaning, our turning points of this polynomial function is 4. So, yung turning points po, yung pagliko ng graph. So, 4 na beses daw siyang mag-iiba ng direction. Okay po. Next, we have f of x is equals to x cubed plus 11x squared plus 6x plus 6. So, we're just going to get the degree of the polynomial function, which is degree is the highest exponent or the largest exponent. So, ang formula natin for the turning point is t is equals to n, which is the degree of the polynomial, and then minus 1. Yung minus 1 di na nawawala, that is constant. So, t is equals to what is our n? The highest exponent, which is 3. Since yun naman yung pinakamataas na exponent sa ating polynomial function. So, we have 3 minus 1. Po. And 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, our turning point of this polynomial function is 2. So, ibig sabihin, 2 beses yung pagliko ng graph dito sa ating polynomial function. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-identify ng turning points ng isang graph. Kahit hindi mo na nga isolve you're just going to subtract minus 1 lang. And then, ayun na po yung turning point. Okay po. Thank you for watching.